Hello team, welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to see how to install and configure ESP-IDF in Linux operating system. Let's go into our video. The first step is to install the prerequisites for our software. So I will give this command in the description as well as in the video also. Then copy paste it and hit enter and give your password. This will take some time, ask you to for yes or no permission, give that and wait for a minute based on your internet speed. For me, already I have installed. So this is, if you have also already installed, there is no issues, it will so quick. The second step is to download our ESP-IDF software from the GitHub repository. Before that, we want to take a directory that is development and enter into the directory. And again, you want to create another one directory so that we can store all our ESP related software application into that. So then you create a ESP folder like this, and inside that you want to clone the application from the GitHub repository, enter into the ESP directory and paste this command in your terminal. If you want to specify the version, you can also specify like this, but I'm using 5.4.1. If you want to use current version, you just remove this and hit enter. I will give the command in the description also. This will take some time, nearly 5 minutes based on your internet speed. And next you want to install the SOC environment for your SOC. So SOC environment for your SOC. So you can first you want to go to the ESP-IDF directory, and if you see there is a install.sh file. If you are running shell terminal, you can run this particular file. If you are running fish terminal, you can run this particular .sh, and you want to specify the chip that you are using. You can specify like ESP32. If you want more than one chip, then you can go like ESP S32, S3 or S2 and so on and so on. But I am going to install all the packages in my local system. So give /install.h space all, hit enter that environments. So what I'm doing, just copy this command and paste it over here and hit enter. If you have any errors in this case, you want to again follow all the steps again, so that you can easily, this is the way you want to install all the boards, and you can now build your own application and run it and deploy it to your SOC chip. The third step is to verify the version of your installed application, so that we can confirm that the application is properly installed. For that, you want to first run the ./export.sh and then idf.py version. Now this will display the version 5.4.1. that is what I have installed, and now we have successfully installed. If you have any error in this place, please come with the first step of my video and try all the steps properly. The fourth step is to configure your environment variable for the export.sh file. So that you want to first go to a project that you downloaded in your local system, give ls. Now you want to set the .sh export.sh in the environment path. So first source the bashrc file, then give nano bashrc and go to the end of the file. And now here you want to give your path of your project that you downloaded. Give a command like this. I will give this command in the description also. In your case, you want to copy and paste your URL, that is pwd this particular path you want to copy and paste it in the before the slash export.sh file. Then give Ctrl plus X and Y and hit enter. Then again you want to keep the source as a bash file that will execute your application. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to some random folder. Inside I'm going to open my terminal, and here now we can use the command, that export command, anywhere in our system because we have configured our environment path in the name of get underscore ESP-IDF. Now if you hit enter, then this command will be executed as expected. Now you can run the IDF.py file in this path in order to create or build your application. Let me show you how to create a simple application. This is your project name. Let me give my project name as a, this will create a project over here. You see that the folder is created and the main file is created and the project.c and the cmuglist.txt file also created. In the next video, I will let you know how to create a project and run a simple hello world program in the ESP32 chipset. Thank you for watching. That's all about this installation video. Thank you.